Okay, so now we need to solve this pair of simultaneous equations. We have 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 12. I've written the steps on either side of the screen. The first step is to make any variable, x or y, the subject of the formula for any equation. So any of the equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, I will make y the subject of the formula for equation 1. So then now, in order to make y the subject of the formula, I need to remove plus 2x and put it on the other side of the equation. So then that will be y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So the plus 2x becomes negative 2x when it goes across. Let's call this equation 3. Good. So step 1 has been completed. Step 2. Substitute the expression of the variable, that's y, substitute this expression into the equation you did not use. Which equation we did not use from 1 and 2? We did not use equation 2. Okay. So now wherever we see y, we're going to put in 3 minus 2x. So that's 5x minus 2. We open the brackets now. So we're seeing y here. So we're going to put 3 minus 2x. Remember, wherever we see y, we're going to put 3 minus 2x. And this is equal to 12. Good. Step 2 has been completed. Now let's look at step 3. Solve for the variable in that equation. So we want to solve for x in this equation because we only have one variable. So the first step in doing so is to expand the brackets and then simplify. So that's 5x. And to expand this brackets, that's negative 2 times 3. So that's negative 6. And then negative 2 times negative 2x. That will be positive 4x. And this is equal to 12. Now we see we have 5x plus 4x. We can add these terms. So that's 9x minus 6 is equal to 12. Now we want to solve for x. So everything that does not involve x, we carry it to the other side. So if we want to move minus 6 to the other side of the equation, it would become positive 6. So that's now 12 plus 6, which is 18. And then now x is equal to, this is 9 multiplied by x. So then if we want to bring the 9 across, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So it will be 18 divided by 9, which is equal to 2. So now we have found that x is equal to 2. So we have completed step 3. Let's look at step 4. Plug the variable into any equation to find the other variable. So now that we have found x is equal to 2, we can plug x as 2 into any one of these 3 equations and we would solve for y. Let's use equation 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. And now we have x, so I'm going to replace x as 2. And now this is equal to now 3. And negative 2 times 2, that's negative 4. And 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. So then the value of x is 2. And the value of y is negative 1. We can check over our work by plugging in negative 1 as y and x as 2 and see if it satisfies any one of these equations. It must satisfy all of these 3.